Hello everyone, this is Avijit here and welcome back to my channel Crafting with Avijit. In the previous video, I was made this paper diamond. This video link in the description below. And today in this video, I will show you to make this origami rabbit. First, take a 15 cm square craft paper. Now fold it as me. Now this is ready. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.